Hi everyone, this is my presentation on what is more toxic. Our prompt was what is more toxic, vitamin D3 or the pesticide aluminum sodium fluoride, which is also known as cryolite. What makes a compound toxic? The toxicity of compounds is determined by their chemical nature, dose, route of exposure, metabolism, genetic factors, and other environmental interactions. It's often defined by the capacity of substance to cause harm. What is LD50? LD50 stands for lethal dose 50%. It is basically the dose of a substance that kills 50% of the test population. It is a unit of measure used in chemistry. Comparing the two LD50s. For aluminum sodium fluoride, the approximate LD50 when exposed to rats orally was 1,000 milligrams. It was much lower for vitamin D, as it was only 42 milligrams. Between the two, the vitamin D was much lower, which means it is more lethal in LD50 terms. Here are some of the other hazards for aluminum sodium fluoride. The chronic exposure can consist of repeated or prolonged exposure, which can result in bone, kidney, and lung damage. For vitamin D, the chronic exposure can result in symptoms such as nausea, vomiting, weakness, and serious complications like kidney damage. And it is not corrosive. While cryolite requires a higher dose to reach lethal toxicity, vitamin D is much more potent. It calls for careful dosage control in clinical and nutritional guidelines. I would consider cryolite to generally be more toxic due to its nature as a pesticide and its fluoride content, which can cause significant health issues even at lower exposures compared to vitamin D toxicity, which is more related to overdose from supplementation.